Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Join me today as I get a ton done to get ready for tonight. Hey friends, so tonight I have bunko at my home. I'm so excited. I'm excited to be around friends and play bunko. We have had the most insane 2 weeks around here. 2 weeks ago, I had Inside Edition here in our home interviewing me and Derek about food storage. So it was so much fun having them here. The experience was a total blast. I'm right now trying to catch up from that, and I have, look at this pile of clean laundry. This past week has been very hard for our family. One of my dearest friends lost their son a week and a half ago, and it's been very hard on them, the community, our family. The funeral was this past weekend. Yesterday, none of us went to church. We crashed. So today I'm feeling more rested, and I'm very glad that bunko is here tonight, so I can just enjoy being with people. So it's been an emotional roller coaster for sure. So I need to get that taken care of. I am also making taco soup for the bunko night. We usually do like a little dinner and treats and things. In my big freezer, I usually double the recipe for my family and we'll have leftovers. I'm thinking if I triple it, I'll have enough to feed my family and the group that's here. But even if I don't, that's still okay. No, I'm gonna triple it. I think a triple is good. So I'm gonna need 3 pounds of ground beef. This is cold. This is cold. My fingers are freezing, my fingers. Okay, I have 20 minutes before I go grab my son to bring him to the ortho. I'm gonna go put my face on and then head out. Okay, I'm back. My child is back at school, and I have been going through the laundry pile, separating everyone's laundry. Jonah grabbed all his, when he did his laundry, he's our oldest son, and then Boston did his laundry but never got it back upstairs. So I'm just separating all of this, and then they can put it in their rooms. So that's what I'm working on right now.
Just don't do, and doers don't watch. So let's get to it. Let's get it done. You step it up a notch. We can do it. We can get it done. 'Cause we're doers, and doers don't watch. If anything like you,
Okay, all the vacuuming is done. I still have to do this side and wash the floor, but I'm getting to that. I'm about to decorate a little with some St. Patrick's Day. We moved the coffee table all the way over because we need 3 card tables. So one can fit here with 4 people, and we could probably get 2 here. We might move that table over a little. Before I continue with that, I'm gonna get the soup started because it is almost 4:30, it's 4:26. I wanna get the soup going, so done, don't even need to think about it. All right, the boys moved the table over. So now we'll have 2 card tables here. And then the head card table will probably be here. All right, I'm gonna brown up 3 pounds of ground beef. I'm just gonna break this up a little. And then I'm gonna add my green peppers and onions. I need to put some salt and pepper because I want to season that beef, and I didn't do that yet. I already put my onions and peppers down. So I'll do that. All right, I'm gonna get this cooking, and then we're gonna add all our cans in, dump and go after this point. So easy. Okay, I'm gonna use my apron to load up on all these canned goods. So I need 3 cans of corn, black beans. So I need 3 of those. Kidney beans, which are down here. Then I need beef broth. And these cans need to be used first. So 1, 2, 3. And then I need 3 small cans of tomato sauce, but these need to get used up first. So what I'm gonna do is use one of these and then a small one of these. So there's my 3. This is me. This is what's so great about aprons. All that. All right, we're gonna get all the tops rinsed off before we open these. This is the easiest part. Dump and go. No draining. Just get it in there. Hopefully, I won't need a bigger pot. I'll find out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is close. And the soup calls for a packet of taco seasoning, but I use these big guys in the bulk store. So a taco seasoning pack is, from what they're saying here, 3 tablespoons. So I'm gonna need 3, 6, 9. I usually put a little more than that in. I don't know, I probably did like 12, I don't even know. And I might just dump the rest of it in there, so we'll see. So I'm going to gently, ever so gently mix this, heat it through, and I don't even need to think about it, it's done. It's just gonna heat through. So my family will grab theirs first, and when it's all done cooking, they'll eat, and then the gang will be here, and there'll be enough for everybody. Okay, I'm gonna make some corn muffins with a cake mix, a yellow box cake mix. It's so good. I've shared this before. I'll find a recipe and link it down below for you guys. So what you do is take any vanilla cake mix, and then your Jiffy cornbread mix. Mix this together, get those little lumps out. Then you're gonna add a 1/3 cup milk, a cup of water, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, and 4 eggs. Okay, you're gonna mix this up. The batter will be lumpy, so I'm gonna actually bake them as muffins. And then we're gonna bake them up that way. And it is a yummy cornbread, a little sweet. So it's great, especially for kids that are not big fans of cornbread. It's a good way of getting them to like it, but this is a fun one. 350-degree oven. I'm gonna start at 20 minutes and just check them. Okay, the muffins are done. I am gonna bake up some more because I have lots of batter left. So plenty for our family and for the gang. Okay, we have the corn muffins, the taco soup, bowls ready for them to dish up, forks, knives, spoons, plates, bottled water, and then they could put either some of this Crystal Light, different Crystal Light packets in. Her Hydration, which is the blueberry coconut, or the Her Power.
Down. Down.
Yeah. Hi, Denise.
Have you played that Wordle game? Wordle? You would like that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's get started!
Tonight was so much fun, so much fun. We ended up like counting wrong, like needing subs and stuff, so we had a little more people. So what we did was divide this table into 3 people here and 3 people here, because you need 4 at a table. And there was like ghost, that this table had to like roll for like that 4th person so that the timing was fair, basically. So we're pretty much cleaned up. Just got a few things to put away here and here. The dishwasher is done. I think I'm done though. I'm tired. It's been a long weekend, a long week, and I really needed tonight. And it was hard to follow along on the game with the dice. Basically, Bunko is, there's 6 levels, 6 rounds, 6 levels, and each, so level 1 through 6. When you're on level 1, you're rolling ones. It's a fun game. You'll have to go look it up. It was great to be around everyone and see everyone, so it was a fun night. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.